Then, how to recover deleted notes on iPad is your most urgent task. Today, we'll guide you through the 5 best ways to deal with the issue in this tutorial. These techniques will certainly meet your various needs. Way 1. How to find recently deleted notes on iPad directly. Open Notes app, go to Folders. Tap Recently Deleted, click Edit. Select Note, tap Move to, then Notes, to restore. Way 2. How to retrieve deleted notes on iPad via email. Sign into email. Check note accessibility. In iPad settings, Mail, Contacts, Calendars, enable notes. If notes exist, toggle off and on to Resync. Way 3. How to get deleted notes back on iPad from iCloud Backup. iPad Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings. At Apps and Data, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in. Select Backup. Restore lost notes. Way 4. How to restore deleted notes on iPad from iTunes Backup. Connect iPad to iTunes. Click Device icon. Select Restore Backup. Choose the backup with lost notes. Click Restore. Wait for completion. Don't disconnect until iPad reboots. Way 5. How to recover deleted notes on iPad without data loss. Don't want to use the restore method of iTunes or iCloud because you don't want to lose the existing data on the device? At this point, you can turn to Mobican Doctor for iOS, a professional iOS data recovery program. How to retrieve deleted notes on iPad with iPad Notes Recovery. Step 1. Run the software and scan your computer. Step 2. Preview iPad Notes before recovery. Step 3. Recover deleted notes from your iPad.